In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Gmail accounts at Fix Today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your primary account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Add Another Account, enter the email address or phone number for the second account, and click Next. Then enter the password for that account and click Next again to sign in. After signing in, click your profile picture in the top right corner to see your list of active accounts. You can click on the secondary email address in the list to switch to its inbox. Each account will open in a new tab, allowing you to move between inboxes easily. If you want to separate accounts more strictly, click the profile icon in the Chrome browser toolbar at the very top of your screen above the Gmail interface. Here you'll see all your existing Chrome profiles. You can choose to add a new Chrome profile, open a guest profile, or manage existing Chrome profiles. Click Add Chrome Profile to create a completely separate browsing environment. Once you click it, set up your new Chrome profile. Click Sign In and enter the credentials for your other Gmail account. Sign into Chrome using your Google account to sync bookmarks, extensions, and settings separately. After setup, you can use separate browser windows to manage each Gmail account independently with its own history, settings, and saved sessions. You can now manage multiple Gmail accounts efficiently without constantly signing in and out. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations.